Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing Cardano ADA. Before I pull out the charts, guys, let's take a look at Twitter. Right now, you guys can see on the business and finance side of things, we're seeing Cardano trending right now. And a few weeks ago, no one was looking at Cardano. And this just speaks for itself, how important patience really is. And the people that had patience pretty much over the past 2 to 3 weeks, when we were retesting that resistance over and over again, are the real winners right now. And something great has happened, which is causing a lot of excitement in ADA once again, which we will discuss. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at majority of the market, it is up right now. We're seeing a handful of coins that are in red, but majority of the market is up, which is great to see. As far as Cardano is concerned, it's up 6.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at 47.4 cents. It's also up 9% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $16.7 billion, approaching that $17 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 611.2 million. Great things definitely happening. But before we continue the analysis, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at what's happening. So first and foremost, we are going to pay very close attention to the Bitcoin dominance index. Bitcoin dominance index peaked up at 55.27%, but we have seen the dominance pulling down, which is causing some of the altcoins that were pretty much lagging behind Bitcoin over the past 2 to 3 days are finally popping out. You can see this for yourself. So that is a great thing to see, and I think Cardano is also reacting to that momentum. But now what we're seeing is a shift. And what I mean by shift is all of a sudden everyone is turning super mega bullish on Cardano. You're seeing great Cardano articles all of a sudden, trending, people showing more engagement. And this is what happens when excitement comes into play. It goes back to what I've said from the beginning. When there's no excitement and the people that are picking it up at that point, those are the real winners. And now we're going to get into the charts and see what is happening. So you guys can see this for yourself. As of December the 8th, we have officially, hit a brand new yearly high for the year of 2023, which is great to see. We're retesting levels we haven't seen since September of last year. And I'm sure people on the channel are starting to realize, hey, you know what? This resistance that Crypto ZX constantly over and over and over again talked about actually was a huge level of resistance. Just look at it for yourself, guys. After we broke out of that resistance, ADA is up 20%. Now, you guys might come out and say 20%, who cares about that? We are seeing Bonk up 11x. Guys, Bonk market valuation compared to, Cardano is insanely different. And for a project like Cardano with such a high market valuation, to pump up 20% is a huge deal. So this is showing us that momentum is definitely shifting. And we were seeing this happening. I was starting to see this happen literally, once we were retesting this resistance. Third time was the charm, and we have officially broken out. And the similarities between the Cardano charts and the Solana charts are insane. We had a very, very similar, hard time breaking out of a massive resistance. And when it finally popped out, things really started going absolutely crazy. So what we're seeing right now is, let's take a look at what some next targets are. So pretty much, guys, the next target for the price of Cardano could be at the 60 cents mark. I think Cardano has everything for itself to actually retest this resistance, and that's a move of another additional 27%. Of course, we have resistance coming up at 51.96 cents as well, which will be a resistance that we need to keep an eye out on. But the main target, the main area that I have my eyes on is, of course, this level at 27.24%, guys. And now this is the level where things get very, very exciting. Like I said, I think we get to that point, see a little bit of a minor retracement. I'm not expecting for the price of Cardano to get there like in 2 hours, okay? It's going to take some time, but that is the main target. And if it's able to do that before the year comes to an end, that is the best thing anyone can ask for, because if it's able to clear that area out, 78.6 is the zone that of course we're aiming, which I've mentioned countless of times. And the significance of this blue zone is this ends the bear market cycle. This will put an end on the official bear market cycle, which pretty much has started once we broke below the 78.6 zone, which is at 68.69 cents. So that is great, targets that we could be aiming for. If I were to bring out the measuring tool for the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, that's a 44.5% move. So it's a quite significant move, let's face it. If dominance continues to pull down, maybe going into the end of the year, we could see a huge altcoin rally leading into the new years, and I think ADA could really make take advantage of this and actually push into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone. So great things happening, and I do expect a lot of focus on Cardano's ecosystem as well. So we could see native tokens on Cardano start to perform really strong as well as their NFTs. So that is my projection. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Do you guys agree with this overall take, or do you have something else? And as far as the look goes for the entire chart for Cardano. But overall, definitely good momentum building up right now for ADA. And again, this is something we were projecting. It has finally happened. Yep, it has finally happened. The people that were hating on ADA around this range are probably kicking themselves at this point. Look at it for yourself. On October 21st, if you picked up ADA at that point, you're up almost 100%, guys. Yep, so ADA has performed strong. Okay, so that is it for today's update. Looking really nice. Do pay very close attention to BTC. Bitcoin has gone below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So we need to be taking a look at Bitcoin very closely. Let's say, what's the worst case scenario? So Bitcoin could make its way down to 42,948. We have support around that range. So let's see what BTC does. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll take it one step at a time. But dominance is pulling down, which is causing altcoins to have a chance right now. So like I said, let me know down below what you guys think, and what excites you the most with Cardano, and what do you think the price of Cardano will be trading at the peak of the bull run? Do you think it's going to be above $10? Because a lot of speculation going on. Again, all this is speculation. Price predictions are speculation, but $3 and a change was its all-time high. You guys can see $3.10 in September 2nd of 2021. And at the rate that we're going, when the market really heats up, we could start moving up really fast. But one step at a time. Great day today, nonetheless. Celebratory day for the Cardano community. Let me know down below what you guys think, and of course, thank you for all your support. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing out these updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.